Hey folks, it's Adrian from Cademy, and today I'd like to show you an update we've just released, and that is the ability to bulk email students who booked your class. So you can simply go into one of your courses and select folks from the list of people who booked, and you can just click on this button to email them. That's all. That's nice and simple. You can bulk select as well, so you can see I have quite a lot of people in this dummy class that I have set up here, and rather than go individually, I can just click here and say select all, and that's going to select them all. I can select specific ones like the ones who've successfully booked or the ones who've cancelled, and so on. I can just select those like this, and then I click to email and I say maybe a reminder, hey, or maybe a reminder, hi, and then I want to personalize this, of course, and then we'll use this drop down to enter the details that I want to pull in. So I'll say hi, first name, and then please remember to show up for the class. There we go. And before I send it, it would be a good idea to preview it. So I can just click on the preview button and I can preview the emails that's going to get sent to all these 5 people, right? So it looks fine, and I can just click on the send button. Or if you find yourself using the same text over and over, you probably want to set up a template. You can do that in the settings section of a course. And once you have a template, you can just pick that. So I've got a default one here, so I can preview that. Looks fine to me. I can just preview that for all these 5 people. If I'm happy with it, I click send, and that's all. Email sent. Happy days. We've got more stuff in this area coming soon. We are already tracking all the emails that are being sent, so we'll know when they've been delivered, clicked, opened, and so on. We're going to expose that to our users soon, but also there's more coming up in this space, so stay tuned. If you have feedback, if you have ideas, get in touch. Thank you so much. Take care.